Welcome to Mega Kit. Today we are going to see one of the junior kit MK705 water level alarm. This reed and magnet arrangement gives audio alarm when water reaches preset level. Now let us see the live demo. As the water level increases and reaches the top level, the plastic float will start moving upwards. As soon as float comes in proximity switch of reed switch, magnet will actuate the reed switch and the contacts of the reed will get closed. Circuit is complete and the buzzer will sound. When the water level goes down, float will move downward and reed switch will get opened and buzzer will stop. Now let us see how to assemble it. Drill the holes to plastic box for mounting of float, buzzer and terminals. Fix the magnet in the float at the place shown by tape or glue. Put the float in the box as shown. It should move smoothly up and down. Fix the reed switch at the place specified by tape or glue. Mount the buzzer with the help of screws and nuts. Wire the terminals of the reed switch, buzzer and battery to the terminals as shown in the diagram. Close the box and place it at the top of the water tank. Now let us see how it works. As the water level increases and reaches top level, plastic float will start moving upwards. As soon as the float comes in proximity of reed switch, magnet will actuate the reed switch and the contacts of the reed will get closed. Circuit will complete and buzzer will sound. When the water level goes down, float will move downwards, reed switch will get opened and the buzzer will stop. Now let us see the parts required. Plastic box for float, quantity 1 number. Reed switch, quantity 1 number. Magnet, quantity 1 number. 3 to 30 volt DC buzzer, quantity 1 number. Plastic bottle for float, quantity 1 number. 9 volt battery connector, quantity 1 number. Terminal screw with nut, quantity 3 number. Hi, I am Hemant Parab from the Mega Kit, your single point source for all your needs of electronic project kits. For the further details, please contact Dolphin Electronics, C2, 2nd floor, Sri Ganesh Building, Gavane Vasti, Bhosri, Pune. My email ID is dolphinproxy@gmail.com. My WhatsApp number is 92255011142. Do like, share and subscribe my channel Mega Kit. Thank you.